Hi there, welcome to this unboxing of the Rodecaster Pro. Not a new product at all, it's been around for ages, December 2018. But I just want to do a couple of videos on this as I've just got hold of one. Oh, what do we have inside the box? Well, first of all, we've got a nice kind of pencil drawing of the product. It's very useful. I just want to say actually at this point that I am recording this voiceover after doing the unboxing, so this is in fact being recorded on the Rodecaster Pro. I thought that would be kind of more useful. So taking a look inside the box, we have some massive cards. Get the latest one. Okay, so this is just about installing stuff, and it's basically kind of instructions, but on these huge, almost like A3 size cards. Why would they do this? Why would they provide stuff on huge cards like this? I don't want a massive reference check card. Just an A5 booklet would be fine. Kind of an odd decision by Rode. Yeah, don't need those. Kind of pointless. Put those to one side for now. Okay, so looking at the product itself, or actually just before we do, of course, I will get into this box. Rode are usually quite good with their accessories. They do sort of often supply what you need with the product, but I have read on reviews that in this case they don't necessarily do that. And what do we have in here? That's it. Okay, so we just got these cardboard things. These slip over the top of the sound effects buttons to allow you to kind of make a note of what sort of stuff you've programmed in, and you can just put them over the top, and yeah, just makes it easy to know what's going on. We've got our power pack here, which is a 12 volt power pack. You can actually get a cable from Rode which allows you to plug into a USB power bank and buck convert or whatever it is to this increase the voltage to 12 volts that it needs. I wouldn't have thought that's very efficient, so I doubt you get too much power out of a power bank, but you can do it. This is the USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A to connect to your Mac or your PC, and IEC mains lead to go into the power pack. I do like stuff like this to just be direct mains connection, but of course you wouldn't then have the ability to use portable power with it. Okay, so that's it pretty much for accessories. I do notice a lack of any kind of cabling for audio. I was really expecting to get a TRRS cable in there, but you don't. So, well, tough. I'll have to buy one, I guess. That's really poor. I was expecting a TRRS cable. For those of you who don't know, that's the cable that goes from your phone to the back of the device and is the phone channel on the product. These little cardboard things around the side are like they're a master sort of cardboard piece of origami. They really solid. Okay, the product itself is quite light, but it feels really nice. All this top bit's metal, but it feels so light. It's a lovely looking thing though, isn't it? Ooh, see the camera there. And yeah, the top section is all metal, and I think the faders are metal as well. The back, let's take a look at what's on the back. Kensington lock on the left, and then on the right hand side we've got all our XLR ins, our mic XLR, 4 phantom powered XLRs. That's our phone TRRS, 4 1/4-inch TRS headphone sockets, 2 balanced monitor outputs, micro SD card for recording. Shame that's not SD, but hey ho, doesn't matter. USB-C to connect to computer, 12 volt in, and a soft power button. This isn't actually a switch, it's just a sort of soft power button, and there's the there's the Kensington lock, as I say. Yeah, this angular design, I really like that, but I feel that some of the space underneath could have been used for putting maybe like a battery or something rather than using a power bank. Could have just had a battery instead, but it's a lovely, yeah, really nice looking product. I'd be glad to get this powered up and just see what it looks like with all the coloured lights and screens and things like that on it. Faders themselves got nice, yeah, pretty nice feel to them. Plenty of light movement, which is what you want in a fader. You don't really want it to be super stiff, but they've got these kind of weird, you can see these plastic bits down in the inside. I don't know if you can see it as I move it there. You can see them sort of shimmering. It almost looks like they've just got a bin bag and laid it inside just to cover up some other shoddy workmanship or something, but it looks a bit odd. Warning label here over the headphone things. It's just warning you about loud headphone outputs. There you go. Don't know why they have to do this. It's like, yes, you may damage your hearing with headphones. We know that. That's fine. So these are lovely buttons though. They've all got kind of notched stages, and they just feel really positive. They feel like the Machina Micro. pre-fades and solo buttons and mutes down the bottom there. Nice rubber buttons, easy to press by the look of it. And yeah, that's about it. Nice product. Look forward to doing some more videos on this. I'll take you through what I like and what I don't like in a future video just after a couple of days of use, and also do sort of some tutorials on the new beta firmware around all the effects processing stuff. Anyway, love it. Rodecaster Pro, new to me, not a new product at all, but I'm going to be putting a few videos out about what I think of it, and yeah. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. See you soon. Bye.